Well, I named it the Denver Northwestern and Pacific.
Okay.
And I was at like, we have this swap meet there in Roseville every year, our division. And so I'm walking by one of the tables and it's got a bunch of books. And there's this book called Denver Northwestern and Pacific. And I was like, well, wait a minute, that's my railroad. Where did they come up with this name? So I bought the book, and it turns out that that was a
predecessor.
Thank you, of the Denver in the DSL, Denver and Salt Lake. Yeah. So David Moffett had started that railroad.
Oh, okay.
And that's the line like through the Moffett Tunnel. So he was building that way to go to Salt Lake City out of Denver. And so he got to as far as Steamboat Springs, and he ran out of money. It was like 1912. Nice. So
here comes the water, Phil. I got to get more water. Running steam.
I love it.
There goes the lid pipe. So we'll pull up to the station.
Pretty soon that consignment condition is going to probably go 55, 45.
So the Rio Grande got control of it, and then they run the railroad on into Craig, Colorado. And then they said, we're not going any further because we already have a line to Salt Lake City, basically. And so when they